Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In my last video, we were watching that the price line of Stellar was at the support of a big rising wedge pattern on the weekly time frame. Right now, the price line is at the support, even moving down and breaking down the support of the rising wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze that whether the price line is going to break down the support or we can still expect a reversal move from here. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the live weekly time frame. And you can see that we had this very strong support that was not broken down. Even you can see you can say that this support is coming from here, from September 2020, and the price line has been bouncing from this support very well every time whenever it was dropped at this support. And right now we can see that the price line is moving down. We had a spike even up to that was up to here at 22.36 cents. That is really very low from the support. I think this support will be more appropriate if I place it here from December 2020 to December 2021. Now we can see that we have touch here, we have touch here, we have two touches here, one touch here, and this is another current touch. Now the very nice thing that we can observe here, that we have a very strong additional support of 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame, and the price line has tested this support. If I, for example, place a trend line here at the level of this 100 simple moving average and switch to the hourly time frame, then you can see that the price line nicely tested this level and reversed back. Now on the hourly time frame and on the 4-hourly time frame, we are below the support of big rising wedge pattern, but this is really very small time frame. This wedge is on the weekly time frame, so I'm expecting that soon it will be recovered back. We had a nice bounce from here, and we also have, this is really very important, you can see that, and I have been telling you in my, if you're following my analysis on the Stellar Coin, my videos, and I've been telling you almost in every video that this 28 cents is really very strong support for the price line, and you can see that the price line is moving above 28 cents. The price line even did not break down this 20 cents on the daily time frame. So far, we did not have any closing above below this level. So we have a very nice support of 28 cents and the 100 simple moving average. And right now the price line is at the support again on the daily time frame. And I'm expecting that soon it will be recovered back on the hourly and on the 4-hourly time frame again. Let me just show you the targets for this rising wedge pattern again. If I place this trend line from this resistance up to this support, and for example, if we are expecting a breakout from here, then the next imminent target can be approximately 63 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.